Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about 3 simple swabs that will protect your lungs from COVID-19. As we all know that coronavirus, Chinese coronavirus I must say, has always left everyone in trouble. So lakhs of people are dying, millions of people already died. So here we are going to discuss about that how you can protect your lungs, because as we all know Chinese coronavirus have been affecting our lungs very badly. So here are the 3 simple swabs that you can use in your home. Okay, so the first thing is swab your regular oil with your olive oil. As we all know that olive oil is rich in various minerals and vitamins. Okay, so olive oil is very good for your lungs. As we can see, it is clearly written that olive oil protects against inflammation and prevents health lung infection. So since coronavirus directly affects your lungs, so it's better to swap your regular oil with olive oil. Okay, the second one is swap your chemical disinfectants for natural cleaners. Okay, so don't use any chemical disinfectants because that are having very high amount of chemicals that can harm our lungs. Okay, which could be very dangerous at a certain place. So it's better if you switch to some natural cleaners that will protect you from coronavirus. Okay, and the third one is swap mouth breathing for inhaling through your nose. Okay, so as you can see that there are various times when we inhale from a mouth, but it's better if we switch to nose, because when we inhale through nose there are various bacteria which got killed due to the presence of nitric oxide. So it is very important. So that's all for the today. I hope it will help you out some way or other and protect yourself from Chinese coronavirus. It is very dangerous, just like China. So be aware, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.